let's just torque up this presentation. Well, there is something strange happening here. Something unprecedented in the history of our population. Western countries and some Eastern countries are getting old fast. Of all the people who have ever lived to the age of 65, half of them are alive today. Now keep in mind there are 7 billion souls on this planet right now, and before that, 100 billion people have lived and died in the last 55,000 years. So when you put in that perspective that half of all the people who have ever turned 65 are alive today, that's a profound thought. But that's not all that's happening in our lives. Something else is happening to transform everything about our existences. We are living in an era of transformational technologies accelerating at exponential pace. We are living in an era of exponential change in our technologies, and that is going to change everything. Now, there's nothing new about this aging business. Those cards were dealt in the 1940s, 1950s, and 1960s during the birth boom. So here we are today, and we're having an age boom. What a surprise! The thing is that we have to keep in mind that exponential change is difficult to understand. We are linear by architecture. We knew that if there was a tiger 100 yards that way, or 100 steps, and a tree 30 steps that way, we could work out the geometry really well. So we would just simply go 1, 2, 3, 4 to get to that tree before the tiger got to us. Now, if I would take 30 exponential steps, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and beyond, okay? By the time I circumnavigated the planet 16 times, I will have gotten to my 30th step. Well, that's what's happening to our technologies. Genetic, robotic, information, and nanotechnologies are all accelerating at that change of pace. And so that is definitely going to raise the question, if we're going to be effective in the field of aging, we have to become more like futurists. The 21st century is not going to be 100 years of progress. It's going to be 20,000 years of progress relative to the past and change. So what do I mean by a futurist? It's somebody who believes in the need to look forward with optimism. And I underline those words, with optimism.